Hello, David here, and the project for today is almost getting into a wreck. And I could tell you, I could taste that adrenaline. The traffic was heavy, it was rush hour, everyone's in a hurry to get home. I saw that purple car and I thought he might pull into traffic because I figured he couldn't see me, but I saw him. I was ready to brake. Unfortunately, I was able to stop in time. Thank goodness for the Toyota RAV4's anti-lock brakes because never heard a tire squeal, but we stopped very quickly. So remember, drive defensively. Just because you have the right of way doesn't mean you're not going to get hit by someone who's not paying attention to what they're doing.
Yeah, on Friday it closes at 6.
I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.